Here's how you make your own tour. Once you go to Tour Builder, you're going to click on My Tours, and then you are going to create a new tour. Right now, you don't have to worry, it's completely private until you're done. So you're going to title it My Dream Vacation, and you're going to put your name in. And then you're going to create your tour. So you want to figure out where you're going to go on vacation. You can add pictures, you can tell a story, you can add links, a lot of cool stuff you can do. First thing you want to do is add your first location. I want to go to Rotorua in New Zealand. The map should take you there. Ooh, pretty specific. You can drag and drop if you want to change it, so you can drop a place mark in a certain place. So I actually think I want to go a little bit further in because I know that I want to go over here. Okay, then you're going to add that to your tour. So you can also add, so here's my first location name. This is going to be the Skyline Village at Rotorua. You can add photos and videos. So this will link to what you've already saved. You can also search for images. So if I want to search for Skyline Rotorua, here comes up some pictures, so I want to put that picture in. Cool, you can add more if you wanted to. Why do I want to go here? This place is amazing. They have the best views. All right, so I think I'm good with that one. Now I want to choose my next location. So you can keep adding locations for your vacation. So after I go to Rotorua, I want to go to Auckland and find something to do there. So some suggestions, you could find hotels, you could find restaurants, you could search up different things. So like if I want to search up a restaurant, if I could spell restaurants in Auckland, right, and find maybe the best one here. Ooh, fancy oyster bar. And then I could insert that information into my tour, my dream tour. So once I get all that stuff settled, I can find that link. So let's take this link, copy it, and let's bring it back into this. I'm going to add it to my tour. There we go. I'm going to link to, I think it should do it here. There we go. I'm going to link to that website. This is going to be a fancy dinner in Auckland. So have fun with this, play with it, and build as much up as you can. When you're done, you are going to, it should save, you're going to say done editing. And you don't have to make it public, but what you can do is share it. And you can just say private, only people listed below can access. So you can just invite me, A. Edwards at Galloway School, to see it. And I would be the only other person that could view. And then you're done.